Hey everybody, Carl here from Apt, and we're going to unbox another Sony TV for you today. This time it's the X85J. It's the model right after the X80 and right before the X90. So we're going to open this up, take a look and see what comes with it in the box, and then give you our first impressions of the picture, so stay tuned. Okay, here we have all the accessories that come in the box. There's all the paperwork that you get, including the setup guide. Then you have a power cord for the TV, the remote control along with some batteries for that. And then you have some spacers to put a wall mount on there, some cable management clips, and the pedestal feet. All right, so we've got the TV all set up on the pedestal. It is a good looking picture. It's not quite as saturated as what you get on the 90, but it is kind of a good compromise between the 80 and the 90. It does hit that kind of that sweet spot in the middle there. You don't get full array local dimming on this one, but the color quality is still really nice. You do get HDMI 2, a couple of HDMI 2.1 inputs on the back of this, so gamers will have an option here that isn't quite as high priced as the 90 and still gives you a good picture with those extra features that you'll want for gaming. But overall, good first impressions so far. We are going to have a more comprehensive overview, so make sure you check that one out once that's up. So stay tuned because that one will be coming up soon. Thanks as always for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.